Alright everybody, so I am a car parts junkie. If you guys don't know, I've been working on a bunch of stuff on the Ferrari. We split the exhaust on Ferrari South. This came out of David, I think it's David or Jeff, I think it's David, out of his car. Here are all the pieces, parts, and setups, and my gosh, look at the wrapping job I did. As a matter of fact, I kind of love this because what I will do after the fact, these are the new intakes. Good God almighty. Try not to scratch it off. So this is a heat shield with heat backing, and so get it here. Be very careful that I don't mess any of this up. You did a phenomenal job of packing it. This is our new, should blur it out, carbon fiber air box. It will sit just like that inside the car. You see the air filters are in here, and then it's got spacers and everything in here. Needs to be cleaned just a tiny bit, not bad. But this guy is going to sit just like that. Airflow comes in here, and these are oversized air boxes for the Ferrari. So it's going to sound even more badass and have more power. Alrighty, we've disconnected the air box from here. On one section, we have to glue all that back together. I've got all the bolts out of this. We are taking the air box completely out. Let's see what we get here. See if I'm able to, on the first try, pull this guy loose. That one's set. That's out, and backwards.
It's definitely a little.
That is out.
It's going into right here now.
A whole bunch of little stops and stuff I gotta take off of it, but take a look. I can wipe this down and clean it up while I'm in here. What do you think? Be cool, because I should just take the fucking cats off while I'm in here. All good.
Are we looking at right there?
Right there. Right here. The cats are right there. Shit. I might hold up on where I'm at and rethink putting the earbuds in. But anyways, all right, cool. All right, my wingman's not here. Gotta take all this shit apart. And then I've gotta fit the heat shield in. Coming at you. Alrighty. Heat shield is installed. And I did extra heat backing on it too, by the way, because I imagined I was gonna have to, just FYI. I don't like that it doesn't attach on the sides over here. So we got side attachment points. That guy sits, it's gonna sit right up against the exhaust. So I think the only thing that's going to fix that, by the way, is pulling it forward on these grommets when I pull all that in. So we'll see. All right, let's just be real clear. I got pneumonia. I got diagnosed with pneumonia today. I worked all day, so I deserve to play a little bit. I'll show you what we got going. All right, you can see the corner brackets are going in right here. You got a nice little pretty ginormous carbon fiber air box about to go in here. Be patient. Yeah, just pray to God the wife never sees this video. So they need to be cleaned up a little bit, but airbox is fitted and the back screws are in, so we're getting there. Still got a little bit more work to do. Sorry about the glare. But we're getting there. Hold tight. One-handed gear wrench. By the way, I'm not supposed to tighten this all the way up. I still got to put the water tank back in, but I think I can figure it out on the back without doing it. I'm going to go ahead and tighten all these up because I gotta polish all this shit. Carbon fiber doesn't look that great. And I've gotta fix the reservoir nuts because I gotta order some new ones. I gotta figure out where to get these things. Anybody knows, let me. By the way, I told you I'm installing new speakers, right? So there's the speaker barrel. Hold on a second. Set this up here so you can see it. There's the speaker barrel. And there's the tweeter. So this guy actually goes, go ahead and get it fitted. I get it all dirty here. Let's wipe it off on my dress shirt. There you go. It's nice and pretty, right? There we go. There's our air filter set up and assembly right there. And that cap's gonna go on it. Give me a few. All right, fuckers. There's one. I'm tired. And medication's kicking my ass. So we gotta do these headers and the cats. But what you think about that? It's dirty. It's gonna be cleaned up. I learned a long time ago. Haters gonna hate. They hate us because they taint us. There you go. Group M carbon fiber air boxes installed in the 360. Fucking ready to go. Here, let's show the rest of the beautiness inside of this car. There we go. Much better. Much better. We got to replace that burned up funny piece of stuff so it looks like carbon fiber all over again. But there is our Group M air intakes. Everything is hooked up. Even the baffles on this side. I'm gonna double check those. Yeah. Totally sealed. They're good to go. It wasn't raining, I fired up. I took meds, I'm ready to go to bed. Anyways, check that shit out. Look at that amber fucking glow. Good shit, bitches. And there we go. There's the finished product. Fix my light over here. So there's our Ferrari 360 with the Group M intake. I know I shouldn't give him a shout out, but how about that top speed exhaust in there? Everything's set, ready to go. Quick day job. I'm going to bed.